Alright, so it look like we finna do our nails today, y'all. Yeah, it's finna be a little popping video. You know, we get them nails, baby, that top ain't on. Dang. Welcome back, my Simply Beauties. Or should I say our Simply Beauties. Today we gonna have us a little nail tutorial. You know what I'm saying? For all this corona action going on, we can't afford to go out there and, you know, get sick. Are we trying to just get cute? You feel me? So, you know what I'm saying? Look like we got a bunch of little kiss nails. These are going to be the XL nails, press-ons. These are going to be a couple of kits. I think we're going to do just one, the nude color, that right there. It's the gel press-on. So, you know, we come in strong with that XL look. We want them long claws. You know, we trying to be extra cute, trying to show off some, you know, that wedding ring, trying to be cute with it. So, you know, we struggling with the box, but it's all good, though, you know, so we going to get it. There we go, baby. Good job. There we go. You know what I'm saying? Hey, show that. Yep, got the display popping. She got them you with them game show host hands. You know, you put them hands out there, they be showing the letter. Can I get a vowel? Look at my little baby girl over there. Hey baby, this is a look. Oh, my bad. So we're gonna pull these nails out. This looks like what that is, a file? It look like a little file they give you with that. Okay, all right. And there go the nails. Okay. Now what is this? This right here, some kind of. Oh, we ain't gonna use that. Oh, okay, baby. You tell me what's going on. Oh, that's the glue. I know that's the glue. See, a lot of fellas don't know that's the glue. That's the glue. Okay, it's good glue too. That's the good one. I don't whatever I spend my money on. So then, look, my little daughter, me and you both looking at it, baby. Okay, she measuring the nail. She trying to make sure, you know what I'm saying, if it's gonna fit right or not. That's right, you know, we nail technicians in the crib. You feel me? My little baby trying to help her make sure she got all the nails out the box and ain't leaving not nail crumb, just like she do her cereal. Okay, okay, yeah, yeah, that look good, baby. Put that one on, that finger. Yes, my daughter is definitely anticipating the nails being on her hand as well. Looks like. So it looks like she's taking care of the cuticle. Okay, getting the cuticle pushing out the way. You know what I'm saying? We ain't got, you know, like that super technical. I bought her some kind of little device not too long ago to file it down electronically, but she don't use that for some reason. And so we're pushing cuticles manually, you know, instead of using stuff we buying. You know what I'm saying? But that's all good though. So we back at it with the cuticles. Oh, she's showing the tip of the nail. Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's a decent little tip too. Okay. Okay. Here we go. With a little bit more of that action. Trying on action, making sure the cuticles fit, making sure everything line up right. So now we got our nails pressed out. We're gonna go ahead and make sure that they are the way we're gonna put them on. And she got a cute little display that looks like the little file right there to make sure you file in the nail. That way it's not too bulky on your cuticle part, or it's not too bulky around the part it's not supposed to be. So this look like some nail soak. So I guess you're soaking your own fingers in that to before you apply. I guess it's providing a better adhesive for the nail to stick to and last longer, which is what I'm guessing. I did not do my homework, but my wife will let me know later if this is wrong, and so will y'all in the comments. That's okay. Okay, look at, okay, yep, that's what I thought. If I'm right, y'all pause the video thinking if I'm right or not in the comments. You know what I'm saying? Y'all say it in the comments. Salute your boy if it ain't. Don't shoot me if it is. It is what it is. You know, I'm just a guy. I don't know nothing about all this stuff. So it looked like, okay, it looked like I was right. So if you was a real one, if you got this far in the video, you a real one. If you saw that I was right, put that in the comments. Salute your boy. You know what I'm saying? Because I knew what I was talking about. You know, that's that construction and carpenter background kicking in right there. You feel me? Okay, okay. She got them on. Y'all hear my little daughter in the background? She hungry. Okay, the glue. Oh, look like we fixed that top. You know, earlier that top was not on there. Oh, okay, flossing. Bang, bang. That's in there. Oh, yeah, they a winner. Click, clack, click, clack, clack, clack. Clickety, clack. Oh, yeah, show them off. Looking like an 8th grader at the ready for picture day. Hit them up. Okay, next on my little baby girl hands. Oh, look at her little hand. Look at it. Bye, y'all.